Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change the color theme in Google Chrome browser. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to navigate at the bottom search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, please wait until a best match should appear in this window, and once it's here, please click on Open to continue. Now, the moment you are being navigated here at the Google Chrome browser, you need to proceed at the upper left side of that where you can see a plus icon or plus sign. Please click on it to add a new tab. Once you have created a new tab, you just have to wait until everything are set before we proceed, okay? Now, once everything are set, please navigate at the bottom right side of that. You can see there a pencil icon. Click on it. And the moment you do that, this right pane window would appear. So here, you need to scroll down and you would be able to see the theme or the color theme where you can set in your, which you can set in your Google Chrome browser. So from here, you can select the default color, which is this. You can also select the gray default color, which is this, okay, which is this one. So there are a bunch of theme color here, color theme that you can set in your Google Chrome browser. So the moment you click on this, the color theme will be set in accordance to the color that you have selected here in this window. You can also click on this to customize the color, and you can click you can pick the color that you can choose to, and eventually it will be set as your color theme here in your PC or laptop. So setting the color theme in your Google Chrome browser is very important, especially if you'd like to customize your Google Chrome for an optimum used, okay, for a best usage of your Google Chrome browser. Here you can set the color theme in accordance to your favorite color or the color that you prefer. In my case, I prefer to go with this default color since it's suiting in my eyes. So from here you can also select the dark mode if you are using your Google Chrome browser at nighttime, or you can simply set it into light if you are using your Google Chrome during daytime. So by that, you can now close the window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.